I'm going to show you the control of the Galaxy alarm panel via a web server. The web server runs under Java, and it can run on any Java compatible PC or server. The web server itself actually connects over to the standard Galaxy Ethernet module, which looks kind of like this. Okay, so here I've got the Ethernet module connected to my home network, which is connected to a Wi-Fi router. And what I'm doing now is bringing up the web keypad, or the virtual keypad, on my iPod Touch. I've got a default set of key codes in the panel just now, so I'll enter those in, 5 2s, and you can see I've got access into the panel menu, and I can do things like display the log, so I can see when I last unset the alarm here. You can basically do anything that you can do at the actual keypad itself. If I was to set the system, you see that having the virtual keypad allows me to actually set the alarm or look at the keypad from anywhere in the house. And that's the system set. And if I want to unset the system, as you would at the keypad, so, as you can see, you can control the system through your Wi-Fi devices if you have your wireless router, or you can also control it over your PC. Hopefully we can zoom out a bit to get a better focus on this display. And you see you have the same control through the browser interface. And this is running Firefox browser, so the web server is compatible just now with Firefox and Safari. On another system here you can actually see the Java virtual keypad jar file being launched. And